Hey, Jeff here with Night Sky Murals and Night Sky Stencils. Have you ever really seen a real night sky? I mean, way out in the middle of nowhere where it's pitch black and you look up and there's just thousands of stars up there. Well, I can almost guarantee you, if you have seen one of those night skies, that feeling you had is ingrained in your mind and you'll never forget it. It's an incredible feeling when you see that and you're standing under that. Well, that's what I was going for when I came up with Night Sky Murals. And I've traveled around the world painting those murals for people. And that's what I was also going for when I created Night Sky Stencils. That allows other people to be able to paint their own mural for themselves. And I've sent these kits around the world. Now, up until about a month ago, the only stencil I had was one that would create actually you could paint on your entire ceiling, and it didn't matter what size it was, 10 by 10 or 50 by 50 foot ceiling. It doesn't matter, the kit will work. But I had some people that didn't want to put all that time and effort into it. And so I came up with 4 new, smaller, easier stencils, and 3 of them are just one sheet. You put it up, you paint it, and you're done. The larger one is a 7-foot circle. It comes in 2 sheets. You put those 2 sheets up side by side, paint it, and you're done. Very simple, very easy, and beautiful murals. Well, I still get people that ask me, well, is it really real? Is it really realistic? Well, here's what one customer wrote me. Jeff, in a previous occupation as a Navy SEAL, I spent hundreds of nights each year under the stars, and the mural on my ceiling brings back some of my favorite memories. I can't believe how realistic this looks. It's just like the most majestic, perfect night sky. Wow, that was fun to get, and especially after putting a lot of time and effort into creating these stencils. So what I want to do is give away one of each of the 5 stencils. The full ceiling stencil and then the other 4. And I'll have a description of each one in the comments below, and I'll put some pictures there too. But all you need to do is like my Night Sky Stencils page on Facebook. So facebook.com/Night Sky Stencils. There's going to be a link to enter the drawing. Enter that and then share. And if you do all of those things, you have a great chance of winning one of those. If you don't win, I'm going to have a killer discount for those of you that don't win and you still want one. So take advantage. The only way you're going to get the discount or the drawing is to enter the drawing and help me get the word out. So I appreciate your help that you'll give me, and look forward to sending out five stencils. Thanks.